Today on Action RC, I got Dale Walton back with us. This is the E-Flite F-16.
80 millimeter.
The 80 millimeter. And how long have you had this one?
I've had it for a while now, probably, what, 2 years now, maybe? Somewhere in there. This is the second one I actually had. I had to send the first one back because the ESC it wasn't working right. It would pulse a lot. And then they sent me this one as a replacement. You know, Horizon did good. They didn't charge me for it, and the ESC was doing the same thing. So I got on the phone with Horizon, actually, surprisingly, and their tech guy actually flew these and knew what he was talking about, and we readjusted the low voltage cutoff on the ESC, and that got rid of the pulsing. And I'm actually more impressed with this paint scheme and being able to see it than the gray one anyway, so it just worked out better. And
what's a battery are you using in this one?
I'm using a Zeep, and it's a 7,000 milliamp just for the flight time. If you want to do aerobatics and stuff, you can drop it down to a 4,000 or a 5,000 milliamp and drop the weight a little bit. But I like the way this thing flies with that for what I like to do.
Now, are you pulling the battery back just far enough so you have perfect CG and balance?
I have the battery as far back as it'll go, and I actually have an additional battery all the way back there with it for the Afterburner that I have from the RC Geek in here. So I've got the weight as far back as I can get it without adding lead.
Nice. Well, this plane looks really awesome in the air. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Here comes up the video. So we're here at CVRC in Visalia, California. Del, thanks for being on Action RC with us. And here comes the flight.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
There you go.
Leave a comment in the section below.
There you go.
Timer start.